Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today my package arrived from Supreme week 13, which is obviously going to be the ARC logo top. Obviously I purchased this not for resale but for personal because finally the peach colorway can be purchased. Brought the peach shorts out so that I can check how it looks afterwards to see if the color matches, which I hope it does. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing that right now. Have any of your items from the week arrived? If so, what did you order? What did you cop? What accessory did you get? Or did you just leave the week alone? I know a lot of people left last week alone and will probably be going for items this week instead. So yeah, let me just know if your items arrived or not and what you copped in what colorway or size. As always, I'll leave all appropriate links down below. And yeah, let's just get into this. I asked last week if this camera angle was any better than prior camera angles that I've been using, and about 9 or 10 people said yes. So I should hopefully be sticking with this angle because it uses a different tripod and it just gives a wider scope. So yeah, let's get into this. Obviously not going to show my address, but yeah, this arrived a little bit later than normal today. Normally I get my item at about 11 AM or 12 PM. However, it came at about 2:30, so it's a little bit late today. But that doesn't matter. It just means the video goes out a tiny bit later, which isn't a problem. Okay, nice and easy. Piece of paper that you do not need to see. And the item. Box logo sticker, plain and simple. And the peach ARC logo top. Finally, I believe that something matches these. Does it? This looks a bit darker. Oh no, not again. Oh god. Anyway, this should hopefully just knock everything off. This should hopefully match. Looks quite huge to be honest for a large, but that should be alright. Probably just get a thumbnail picture because why not? Keep knocking stuff off, it's horrific. Okay, let's unpackage this because this is to wear, not to store. It's to rock, not to stock. Bet that's the first time I've probably ever said that for like an item. Obviously, tissue paper, and there it is. So yeah, here it is. And let's change in like, I'm gonna do like a terrible edited like that and it will just appear, so. And there you go. That looks clean, that looks really clean. It's huge for me, but it's quite low. Should have maybe got a medium, but yeah. Possibly could have got medium in this because it is quite big, and that's for me, it's quite big. The colour sort of matches, but this is more orange, like on the orange scale of peach, whereas this is a lighter shade into the pink almost colour. But I'm sure it will look alright. Anyway, that's going to cover this video. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. I should be opening my Palace item when it arrives. I'll just throw it into a video. But yeah, that's going to be today's video. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. Comment down below what you thought and subscribe if you would like to. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow for a full drop list video or possibly later tonight. Peace. And it's bloody hot right now, I have to say. It is currently... It's currently 78.
78 degrees Fahrenheit is 25.6 degrees Celsius.
It's 25.6. I'm not used to this heat. Peace. There's like the slightest shade difference, but I'm past caring at this point. It's taken like 4 weeks for me to get firstly the Lacoste one, then this peach colour, so I'm past caring at this point. I'm happy with it, so.